Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Dave Bondi here. Do you want to do well on social media? Do you want your content to take off? I'm going to tell you exactly one simple thing that you need to do in order to start doing great on social media. I've amassed over 1 million followers on my Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, every account. A million followers combined on all of them. And the one thing I've learned, the big thing I have learned, is that it's about being real, being authentic. It's not that hard. Well, for some people, it actually is. But here's what I want to tell all of you. If you're just starting out, if you own a business, or if you have content creator and you want to be a content creator, all you need to do, everybody, is really just grab your phone. If you have a business, if you have a business, grab your phone and start talking into it and post the video. We manage social media for a restaurant, and the owner is great. The owner, what he does, he goes in his restaurant, he grabs his phone, he goes live on Facebook and starts talking about the business, how things are tough, how things are good, what specials they have, whatever. And he sits there and he talks to everyone like I'm talking to all of you. Those videos do great. They get thousands of views. Why? Because he is real. Being real is what it's about. And now, followers does not matter as much. You can have a Facebook page or a TikTok page that has only 50 followers, but if you do a video that is authentic and real, you could get 1 million views. On that same barbecue restaurant, we did a video with a woman picking up pork rinds and putting them in a bag. It got 300,000 views. It was just simple and real, and we did it. I did a video the other day, and I'm going to bring it up on the screen right here and show you a little bit what I'm talking about. Hold on here. Let me find it. It's a video I did, very simple, and we were just talking about trash, literally about trash. And I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but this is a video. I can't play it, but basically, it's video of me throwing trash in a dumpster. And in the video, I said, well, I'll play it for you in just a second. Don't go anywhere. Let me show you the statistics. This posted yesterday, a day ago, and already we have 2,600 views. That's not a lot for me, but it's decent. 33 people interacted. So 2,600 people have already seen this video, and it's continuing to go up. Okay, what was this video about? I'm going to play it for you. I'm going to play it for you. I'm going to bring it up on the screen and show you. And it is absolutely nothing special. I hate to say that, but it showed a little glimpse into my life, what I'm about, how I was feeling at that moment. And I want to play it for you. Let me bring it up right here. So let me bring up the screen. Oh, hold on, everybody. Okay, hold on. Let me bring it up and show it to you here. Hold on, everybody. Okay. Here's the screen. Let me play this for you. I'll play it a couple times. This is all I did. So we're decluttering the house, and we actually rented a dumpster, just throwing stuff in the dumpster. That is satisfying, my friends. This is extremely satisfying. So we're decluttering the house, and we actually rented a dumpster. And that's all I did. I did that little 20-second, not even that video. And there's some people getting upset at me because I didn't donate stuff that was broken, but it got people talking. And it was something as simple as that. Being authentic is what it's about on social media. Being authentic. Okay? That's it. That's my tip for today. And that's something I'm really pushing. Just grab your phone and start recording. Don't be afraid. Just do it. It'll be great. It'll turn out okay. And if it doesn't, that's fine. You keep doing it until something clicks. Every single one of us are unique. If we're boring, that's unique. That's who you are. Just be you and start getting video of it. Make sure you're following me right here. Subscribe to my channel, everybody. trying to keep it real, trying to help all of you.